anything you have to
Big
do.
fan.
I know, everything. I mean,
look at
the only
this.
thing is, I see you're going to keep out of it is the fan on top and the fiberglass on
That is sketchy.
Chop it
Yeah,
down.
that is a kind of sketchy.
Build a new tower or
It's like all rusted. Do the pumps still work?
It'd be cheaper to pull the metal off and burn it.
Yeah. I'm staying over top of it.
Chillers. These are York, I think. Yeah. There's the compressor right there. And these motor things, I don't know what these are, but these are running. Yeah, these are the motors, the pumps. I don't know how to turn this big fan on. Yeah, there's two chillers in here. There's another room back there that also has chillers just like these. Oh, there's a fan up there. Interesting. That's weird. Yeah, there.
This one here is.
Let's take another walk around this cooling tower. And oh, what is this? I think that's an air handler. I'm not sure what that is.